for a reason. Boy, we got more to do. You text you like, yo, I'm like, yo, I've been avoiding you. Yeah, Jesus gang, you correct. You always asking for Buddha, you a Budapest. Hey, if they don't
alone, every night alone, why am I alone? Know that you want me to, am I wrong?
Hey dolls, and welcome back to my channel. So today's video I will be showing you guys a hair tutorial with this beautiful wig by Julia Hair. So thank you Julia Hair for sponsoring this video. So let's get into the details. This is a 13x4 lace frontal brownish red body wave wig in 26 inches and 150% density. Now this is the construction of the unit. It had 3 combs, 2 elastic bands on each side, and also an adjustable elastic band that came with it. So I went ahead and bleached the knots on this unit, and I'm glad I did because I wasn't initially going to do it. But make sure you guys are washing your units when you first get them because it makes it nice and clean and free of any chemicals that may be in the hairs. So now I'm going to go in with some heat protectant for the hair because we're going to start using hot tools on it, and I'm going to go ahead and start flattening out these roots. So if y'all watched my previous video, I told y'all that I was determined to find another wax stick that wasn't as greasy. So I found one on Amazon. If you guys are interested in this wax stick, make sure you check the description box below. It will be linked if you want to purchase, and also of course the links to the hair and everything else that I use. So I really like this wax stick. We're flattening out these roots, making sure it's nice and sleek and ready for our install. So this is how the hairline looks before I plucked it myself. This is how it looks straight out the package. Nothing done to it. Now this is how it looks once I plucked it and added my special touches to it, and I also plucked that middle part so it's nice and clean and looks natural. So before we get into the install, I have to show y'all their new ultra thin wig cap. So as you guys can see the difference between the original wig cap that I would typically use and the new wig cap. So I went ahead and tried the new one, and I absolutely love it. I don't think that I'm gonna go back to using those thick and sock looking wig caps because they're too thick and they don't really look natural once you put your wig on. So this came out amazing, as you guys can see. So I liked how the wig came out and everything, so I'm definitely sticking with this one from now on. So as y'all can see, before we even add any spray or adhesive to this unit, look at this. Like regular transparent lace, this isn't HD lace, and it's blending, and it just looks really natural and nice. So I was originally going to do just an elastic band for this install, but I don't normally do very vibrant colors like this, so I went ahead and used the spray as normal to just give it that nice seamless melt. But look at this. This looks so good. They really did their thing with this, so shout out to them for that because that looks really good. But if y'all watched my previous video, I used the yellow can of the Ebin Spray, and I told y'all I was determined to make sure that I get that spray to work. So y'all suggested that I go ahead and get the black can because it works better. The hold is better and it doesn't turn like white and flaky how the other one did. So went to the beauty supply store, got that, and it made all the difference in the world. Like the hold was great. It melted beautifully, and I don't know, I don't know what the difference is, honestly, but this one was so much better. It didn't turn white or anything. So I'm going to continue to use this can instead of the yellow one. So thank y'all for that suggestion. Really needed that because I do not like to use glue. It's too hot, and I like to remove my wigs very frequently. So the spray is very convenient for me.
Really see where did I miss? Junior watching, I be on my Junior watching, I be on my all summer, all summer, $4-5 in pajamas, they piranhas, buy out the store and hours, like we planted. Junior watching, I be on my Junior watching, I be on my tell them this. city miss. Junior Watanabe on my I can't really see where did I miss. Junior Watanabe on my 4-5 sums. 4-5 sums. 4-5 sums. 4-5 sums.
So I was really contemplating on how I wanted to style this unit. I really wanted to do some nice body wave, voluminous, big curls. But then again, I thought, and I was like, okay, so this is 150% density. This is normally not the thickest texture of a unit that you would probably get. 150 density is very light, it's fluffy, and it's airy. So it's very beginner friendly. It's not a lot of hair. So I don't know if those curls would have turned out how I envisioned them to be. So I said, okay, I haven't done wand curls in a while. Let's wand curl this hair. And I wanted to try something different. I always do bone straight or just like voluminous curls. So why not try something different? So this was the perfect unit for that. And I figured this color was very fitting for the fall. And like I said, I haven't done this style in so long. So I really enjoyed styling this unit. It was very quick because like I said, it's not a very thick unit. The hair is nice and fluffy, but it's only 150% density. So it's not like your typical 200, 250 or 300% density unit. So you're not really working with too much. It's not overbearing. So it was very easy to maintain, very manageable and effortless.
TT, two-turn baby girl, you know me. Still with the dolls that I grew beside. All the niggas round me, right at it die. Gotta watch the time, cause it's flying right by. I'm outside in an AMG, right outside. TT, two-turn baby girl, you know me. All the niggas round me, right at it die. Gotta watch the time, cause it's flying right by. I just caught a shorty off a Insta. Just the one I'm really, it's a screenshot. Way that I've been living unconventional. I'm just trying to make it to the end, you know. Certain things have started getting pissed off. Think we need to have a sun adventure. I could be a man, but maybe down the road. Right now, I would rather see my heart turn to chrome. Rather see my heart turn crystal. I can't even front like I don't miss you. Right now, I'm just stuck inside the crib on my own. Soon as I free up, I'm about to pop up on your phone. Like I'm outside in an AMG, right outside. PT, two-turn baby girl, you know me. All the niggas round me, right at it die. Gotta watch the time, cause it's flying right by. Two-turn baby girl, you know me.
I'm outside in it.
Right outside. PT, two-turn baby girl, you know me. All the niggas round me, right at it die. Gotta watch the time, cause it's flying right by. Two-turn baby girl, you know me. Yeah.
So much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe if you did, and I will see you guys in my next videos. Bye guys. Mwah.
Work, 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 work. To me, I can work, 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 work. See me do me dirt, 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 dirt.